Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Oscar Overlander. So last weekend I didn't have a video out there because I was in the middle of things, welding a lot of aluminum. In the past 2 weeks I was welding a lot of aluminum. So prepping it all for the powder coater. Because the powder coater said to me, as more you bring, the cheaper it gets, right? So it makes sense if he has to set up for a certain color, it is good to bring him as much as you can. Then of course overall it gets more cost effective, right? So that's what I did. I welded basically a lot of things, which you will see here in the video. I welded, for example, this box. This is my roof box, which goes on to the roof, of course, the roof of the driving cab. And I've showed that in the previous videos, the doors for the rear storage boxes. I also welded this week a ladder to climb up on the roof. And this one, and I fitted it with necessary brackets. This is also already powder coated, it can be installed. And as I said, I powder coated the tray of my outdoor kitchen, which is that. And then I have one more thing, which I can't bring into the camera, and that is the roof rails I made. They are 18 feet long, that's why I can't handle them into the picture here. So I will show them after the install on the habitat actually. They are on top of the habitat to avoid that a low-hanging tree branch is shearing off my solar panels on the roof. So that's what it is for. And I will show you how I made it right now. And the thing is with this video, it is less talking, a little bit music, but you see what I did. So, time to start a new project. I'm still working on the exterior, even if I have enough work on the interior to do, but we got good weather and it's dry, it's no rain, there's no rain. So anyway, I need a storage box on the roof. So 2 feet in width, a foot in height, I would say, and width-wise, the whole width of the truck. So it's 97, almost 80 inches. That's what this thing is wide. Are you interested in that? Always around, always around. So for this purpose, I dug out the old roof boxes from my fire truck. These boxes have been removed right in the same week as the truck arrived. Anyway, we removed those and we stored them behind the shop now for 3 years. So there was quite a bit of dirt in it, still is, as you see. I vacuumed it out. Now I'm taking all the hardware off, all the hinges, and there's lights in it, lots of wire. Here's a conduit, you see the dirt falling out. So the conduit has to come out, you can't see it. It's like in there, can you see it? Maybe. So everything has to come off first. All the locks and stuff, this is all coming off, and then I'm going to cut a big piece out in the middle and then merge the two ends. I keep the ends, right, and merge it together. So that's the base, and then out of that one I'm making a lid. today I'm sending in all these parts into the powder coater. This is the ladder to get up on the roof rack, rooftop. These are the 3 branch guards I welded, and of course the rooftop box. So now I have to take all the hardware off, hinges and handles and stuff like that. Also, I'm sending in the doors from the outdoor kitchen and the AC unit. So that's what I did the past 2 weeks. Lots of welding, lots of cutting. I hope you liked it. I hope you like what you saw. And I'm excited to install it all and show you that all the black stuff on the gray truck. Maybe next week, it depends on when the primer will arrive. I had to order more Sika primer. That's coming out of country. So it takes a while, so that's a little unknown when I can install the roof rails. But the box and the doors and everything, I will install it this weekend, you know, and then I can show it maybe in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and we'll see us in the next one.